Hey there! Are you getting module not found error after deploying your Python application to Linux App Service? This can happen in one of the two cases. The modules required by the application are not included in requirements.txt file, or the required modules are not installed in their environment. To resolve this issue, we can enable remote build on the Azure App Services. This will ensure that all the modules mentioned in requirements.txt get installed during build. In this demo, we will use zip deploy method via Azure CLI, but this applies to any method which uses zip deployment. To achieve this, please follow these steps. First, go to the environment variables page of the web app. Add the app setting SCM do build during deployment with value true. Let's save this. Now, redeploy the application and wait for the app to start. We can use the command as shown here. Let's wait for the deployment to complete. Let's now try to access the application. That's it. Now the Python application is working as expected. Thank you.